morning routine starts with a morning prayer which I do sitting in my bed itself. After that, I drink 1 or 2 glasses of warm water and I go for my normal daily morning walk and yoga. That's how I start my normal day. So, this is also a normal day. I'm having my water, and after this, I'll go for my walk and yoga. Drinking warm water early in the morning is a very good practice. It helps to detoxify you, cleans your stomach. If you like, you can add few drops of honey or half a lemon squeezed in. That's absolutely your choice, but make a practice of drinking warm water early in the morning. It really helps. I thought I will show you few yoga poses today, but no, it's raining heavily in Chennai today. When I stand in this rain looking at the dark clouded sky, I feel like it is the tears of families who are mourning on the untimely death of their daughters. It is not the story of one Vismaya, one Sujitra, or one Archana. Dowry killing is such a curse our society always faced. When will this end? What is the remedy? What is the solution? The haunting questions. I think the solution lies in you, lies in me. If we say no to dowry, come what may, I will not take or give dowry, a pledge each citizen needs to take. My daughter, your daughters, they are not products which somebody can buy fixing a price in the marriage market. Boys, if you can't look after and take care of a girl without her money, please don't enter this institution of marriage. It's not for you. Be a man and say no to dowry. Dear parents, your daughter is not somebody you can just sell in the marriage market to a moron. Wait and think before you do anything. Boys' parents, try to give some values to your son so that he doesn't abuse his wife back home. Girls, say no to domestic violence. Don't get scared. Fight, fight, and fight. This world is so beautiful, but there are some darkness in it too. Social abuse, dowry abuse, mental abuse, physical abuse. You will come across all of this, but your life is so precious. You have to overcome all this and live. Ending your life is not the answer. Living with a smile is the answer. Please don't end your life, whatever may be the reason. So, dowry killing is not about one family or one person. It's about this society which we all are part of. You and me. The change should come from the grassroots level. Otherwise, this evil will not go from our society. Let me end this video here. Getting a good family is a God's blessing. Understanding, caring husband, supporting family is a blessing of God. To my dear viewers, if you have any problem in any point of time, if you don't have anybody to talk to, just remember that grandma is one email away, one comment away. You can talk to me anytime, any day. I'm there always to help you. Stay happy, spread light and shine wherever you go, because this life is very precious. Stay connected always. Love you. Lots of love. Shriatan, my husband, doing the sketch for grandmas. He is the strongest support in my life, the pillar, my guide and my mentor. A camera shy person, always behind the camera, but I hope he will come in front one day.